Hey guys, before we start, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistakes people make that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Very quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find blower motor fan fuses relays on that generation GMC Terrain year 2010 to year 2017. Please guys, do not waste your money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. People assume you have only one fuse for the blower motor fan, right? You're wrong. You have up to 5 components that you need to check because they control the climate control, and each one of those can cause the blower motor fan not to work. Before we continue guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we will share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we guys start, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos showing you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, relays. And by the way guys, on that generation GMC Terrain, we're going to have more than 150 videos alone for fuses, relays, why things don't work, how to fix them. Check it out, why we make those things to save you money guys. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find a fuse for a fuel pump. You just come to the channel, watch the video for a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road. And on our YouTube channels we have more than 19,000 free repair videos guys that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. So guys, now for the blower motor fan, which fuses, relays we need to check, and we'll show you here on that generation GMC Terrain right here. Quick advice from us, 9 out of 10 owners do not know about all the hidden fuse boxes in that GMC Terrain. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Terrain Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs guys. What we need to do now, we'll be working 2 different fuse boxes. The first one, we need to open the passenger door, come in the passenger side footwell compartment. On the side of the center console here, right in front of that arrow, you have a cover. That cover you pull on the bottom, you will open it and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you will lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. And here guys, what we will need to check now, by the way, okay, 3 different components here and 2 in a different fuse box. People will just check guys most of the times for a blower motor fan the main fuse, which is fuse 29, but you have secondary fuses that you need to check, and that includes fuse number, so that's 4, 6, 10, 12, fuse number 12 and fuse number 14, fuse number 12 and fuse number 14 right here. These 2 fuses will need to be checked guys. Now after that, okay, you need to go ahead and open the hood, and facing the engine on the right side, this is the driver's side here. Okay, you see that's a brake fluid reservoir. Next to it you have a fuse box, you have a clip here, clip there. Pull that cover up and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Specifically here we need to check guys, okay, fuse number 31 and relay 62 right here. All this will need to be checked if you have problems with the blower motor fan. If you want to see why blower motor fan does not work, we have video on the channel that will guys teach you what you need to check and how to fix that problem as well. So guys, this generation GMC Terrain, it has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of fuses and relays, especially if you go in the engine compartment fuse box, you can see. Now, those could be sometimes hard to find. We'll recommend to always keep some spares in the glove box for peace of mind, because if you're in the middle of nowhere guys, okay, and you need to find a replacement fuse for the fuel pump, you don't have one, you may be stuck there, so get some. We'll share the information in the description of the video below with you where you can get them from. Check it out, and that's where we get most of our tools and supplies from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching, see you next time.